Previously, we played two notes on the first string, the open first string and the first fret of the first string. Now let's add in the third note. Still staying on the first string, this time we're going to place our third finger, or the ring finger, just before the third fret. Same technique as the first finger. Tip of the finger placed just before the fret with your thumb gently on the back of the neck. Try this until you can get a clean sound. Remember, if you get a buzzing, you need to press a little bit harder. If you get a click, you need to press a lot harder. Once you can get this down, let's try the same exercise as before. Start by playing the open string gently, and then switch to the third finger on the third fret, and then back again. Try this again until you can play along with me. Great! Once you can do this fluently, we're well on your way to playing songs. It doesn't sound like much at this point, but this is the most crucial step of learning to play guitar. Once you can smoothly switch between notes, everything else comes much easier. So again, take your time on this section and get it right before moving on.